Alright, today we're going to go over the standard algorithm for multiplication, but specifically with multiplying two digits by another number that's 2 or 3 digits. So I will just show you how to do this. So for 456 times 63, times 63. So what we're going to do is, I would say it's always easiest to put the number with more digits at the top, and you'll see why in a little bit. But we start with the number in the ones, and then we multiply it by 456. So we're at 3 times 6, which would equal 18, and then I carry the 1. Now 3 times 5 equals 15, plus 1 equals 16. And then I would carry the 1 again. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So this is 3 times 456. Now, really what we're doing is we're multiplying 3 times 456, and then we're actually multiplying with this 6, because it equals 60, we're actually going to multiply 60 times 456. But when you multiply by a number that ends in 0, we can actually just add the 0 to the number and then multiply it by 6. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We are going to put the 0 here for the 60, right? And then we are going to multiply just like we did with the 3, but with the 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. We go here. You want to cross these out because they don't mean anything. So we're going to add this 3 now from the 36. So 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. And then 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Now we have, right here, we have 456 times 3, okay, which is this, 1,368. And then we have 60 times 456, which is this number, 27,360. And now we just add these numbers up. Make sure, obviously, always that your place values are lined up properly. So this is 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 6 is 12, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 1 plus 7 is 8, and 2 plus 0 is 2, and the answer is 28,728. Let's just do one more here. 28 times 82, and we always start with the ones column. 2 times 8 is 16. We carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5 is 56. Then we always have to add this 0 here because we're multiplying not by 8 but by 80. And now we can multiply by 8 when we add the 0 here. So 8 times 8 equals 64. We can cross out this 1 and add the 6. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 6, which is 22. Six plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then, obviously, 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. So the answer would be 2,296. Let's do, I guess we could just do these ones. quickly. So 363 times 45. And the key for this is to really just practice this strategy. You kind of need to drill it, and it becomes kind of second nature. And at that point, you can do it quickly and efficiently, and that's basically the best thing to do, is just practice this quite a bit. Because if you don't practice it, you're probably going to start messing up on the steps at some point. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1, 31. Carry the 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. Always add the 0 here. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Add these up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6. So the answer would be 16,335, and 39 times 77. Seven times 9 is 63. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 6 is 27. We can put the 0 here. And actually, we're just doing 7 times 39 again, so we know that the answer is going to be 273, right? So we can just put 273 here. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 7 is 10. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer would be 3003. And yeah, that is how you do standard algorithm with multiple numbers, with multiple digits. If you were wondering if we're doing a 3-number by 3-number, 363 times 777, I don't think you get into this in 5th grade, but let's say we do this, 7 times 363, then we would do the second one in the tens, we would put 1 0 here, and then do 7 times 363. For the hundredths, all we would do is we would add 2 zeros, right? Because this would be 700. So I just figured I would just mention that, but probably not necessary for 5th grade. Hopefully that helped you understand standard algorithm for multiplication.